Hello and welcome back to the channel of Unbiased Review. Today we're gonna talk about Scores.com. Is it a legit or a scam? Guys, please note, as this website is not ours, we are here to make you aware from the scams. This is the home page of the website. These are some of the displayed product which is related to the women clothing. You can easily access the items, that is shirt, tops, dresses, pants, coats. Now moving to the other navigations like contact us, shipping policy, return policy, privacy policy, terms of service and size guideline. To make your purchase possible, please note you have to fill this personal detail information to subscribe this website for make your purchase. Now moving to the shipping policy. After placing a purchase request, this website will take 6 to 8 business days to deliver a product at your home place. This is the return policy page. You can check it out. After placing a return request, this website will take 7 days to place or to refund your money. Please note, if you are approved, then your refund will be proceed and a credit will automatically be applied to your credit card or the original method of payment within 7 working days. You can also place your further inquiry to these like sale items. You can say the email, telephone number, return address. Now moving to the privacy policy. These are some of the privacy concern things which is related to the registration, orders, login files, cookies, business transactions and others. This is the terms of service page. You can check it out, the payment gateway. We may provide you the access of third-party payment gateways such as PayPal. Use of this site, they had mentioned the age according to which who can access this website and who cannot. The privacy concern thing, the items on which we collect, use and disclose your personal information are set in our privacy policy. Update of these items. Product disclaimer, liability and the limitations, pricing information. Now moving to the size guideline. Before making your purchase, you can also check your size guideline and do your purchase according to it. Now moving towards a conclusion. Yes, this website is a big scam network. This website will never send you the single item you pay for. Once you place the order, you will wait till the end and this website item will be vanished. The aim of this website is to take your personal information, bank information and sell that to the scammers, which made your card replica and steal your money from it. So, if you want to be aware from the scams, Do not buy anything from the fraud-handed website, and if you have already ordered something, please ask your bank to refund or cancel your card to be safe in future, as your safety is our duty. If you find this video informative, kindly like, share and subscribe. Also share your experience by commenting in the below section. For more update of videos like Legit and the Scams website, please hit the bell icon given below. Be safe and be nice. Bye. Wait for till the next video will be uploaded on our channel. Please wait and also subscribe this channel please, and have a good night.